This is the Conair model SU7 soothing sounds and relaxation clock radio system. This system provides soothing sounds to relax you and mask unwanted noise. You can create a soothing environment at home, office, or traveling, or anywhere you need to relax. This system will operate with or without electricity. It comes with the AC power cord, but it also takes batteries, which I really like. This clock has a lot of features. It has a 3-inch speaker for realistic sound quality, backlight dimmer, snooze power button, volume control, dual alarms, AM/FM radio, and a second sleep timer. And what I really like are the sounds. Now let's hit rainfall. Whoops, let me turn the power on. There we go. Rainfall. Songbird. Thunderstorm. Heartbeat. Now let me show you the back and sides of it. This clock is very sleek. Conair is a pretty good quality name out there.